Castle is the only dual-phase simulation software on the market. It gives an help in any phase of a new project. So you have an help on any time you have to make important choices. Given the presence of an integrated CAD software, you have the possibility to import and export from any other CAD software in the market. Generally, the best way is via step files or Parasolid file. As I mentioned before, the interface is very user-friendly. In addition to this, we are not the typical software house. We are all people coming from the foundry. So in our customer support, there's not only a support on how to use the software, but there's also the possibility to have support on how to optimize your model. Parallelly to the development of the software, we also provide training and consultancy regardless the software. So on the process, on the tool making and tool design. All of this guarantees almost immediate results and a rapid return on investment. 3 days are more than enough to have all the basis to use Castle properly.